everybody? Here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. What you got planned for this one?
Just thinking about, instead of like a pleated yoke, I think I'm gonna like pleat the whole thing, if that makes sense.
Pleat the whole thing, she says.
You see what I'm saying though? Like,
oh, yeah. I see what you're saying. Just pleat straight across from the top.
like,
Yeah.
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 Does that make sense?
Cool. Hey, we're always down to see something new, right, people? This is the experiment show, as you know. Just us playing around.
Experimental tie-dye.
Yeah. You want serious videos? Well, we got a series for that coming real soon, don't worry. We do post these videos highly edited as well, so. But a lot of people seem to like the cuts that we post of just the actual filming of it all, so I don't know. Let us know what you think in the comment below. Do you like the one you're watching, or do you prefer the highly produced, shorter form content where everything's sped up and chopped up and interlaced?
Chopped and screwed.
Yeah, you don't get all the dialogue and stuff like that. Which, hey, maybe that's the most annoying part. I don't know. That's why we ask you, people.
You're bumping my bun, Daddy.
I'm not.
There you go. There you go.
There we go. Getting her with the microphone.
I don't know if that comes through in the audio. I'm sure they hear it.
Nah. We got good equipment now.
Okay. Let's see.
Or if you like somewhat bumped the camera, it sounded like an earthquake started, and now you can like tap on the end of the mic and can't hardly hear it.
This is so
Let us know what you think of the audio too, by the way. We've been drastically improving the audio, and I've about got it where I wanted it. It would sound better if we both wore microphones, but you know, we're trying to keep this production lean and simple. One condenser mic for the two of us. Mounted on the camera because we ain't got no one to carry it around, so.
Y'all wait till our kid is old enough.
Yeah, as soon as she gets old enough, we'll throw the microphone in her hands, these problems will be solved. But for the time being, let us know what you think of what we're doing now. Should sound, I think it sounds a lot better than it did before, but
yeah.
I know there's still plenty of room for improvement. That's not what I'm saying. But let us know if you think it sounds better than it did a month ago. Look at that beauty.
We'll see if this worked out or if this was a waste of time.
It's still going to be pretty. Top. Lasso bands.
I want to make
Lasso
sure.
bands required.
I want to make sure he stays together.
Oh yeah. I don't blame him. To the drying rack. Bright, sunny today.
Shit, it's hot.
It is so hot out there. How do I capture all this in one go? This is quite a tie-dye.
Gonna make a U shape so we stay on the.
Oh yeah, there we go. That's a lot better.
There we go.
See, Mama always comes to it. Now we can see the whole thing. We ain't got to chase it around. People watching time lapses and mine are happier. I don't know if you heard a bunch of comments about how the camera's so shaky.
Where's my rags?
The rags! I don't know. Get so upset about how shaky the camera was. It's like, man, this is 10 minutes of footage cranked down into 60 seconds. Every shake that happened in 10 minutes you're watching in a matter of seconds. People would comment, is this normal speed? Obviously it's not normal speed. Are you kidding me?
Haven't used golden in a while.
No, I love the golden yellow. I gotta replenish that golden yellow. I gotta redo all of our super clear dyes, all that stuff. I've been slacking a little bit, people. We've been busy. We got some big announcements, big things coming your way. Just wait, people. And we're going to look at what might be another big announcement today, so. Big positive changes coming in the world of Mr. Fix-It and Vivid Prisms. So what all colors we have on this one? We've got
dragon fruit, deep orange, golden yellow, lime green, glacier, lavender, and then dragon fruit again.
Alright, people. Still fighting that dying camera. I think it might be a heat issue. We got some shade on it now.
It's
Still
hot out
back
here.
dying. It is hot out here. Got some lime pop. A little bit of glacier blue. Some days are easy, some days are hard. All days are days.
Have the mother-in-law watching the baby.
My mama.
Yeah, your mama. You called her mama the other day.
My mom and dad.
Okay, I think we're ready to go.
To the drying rack?
To the drying rack.
Let's go.
I'm gonna put him on the bottom.
Okay.
Okay, let me flop him in there.
Walk him on in.
Woo! Ooh.
bottom shelf where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.